How to fix Xenonauts 2 is crashing on Steam. So first you want to right click the game in your library and open up the properties window. And in the launch options box you want to add -dx11. Now go to installed files and verify the integrity of game files. And once this process is completed, you can close Steam. Next, you want to open up a browser tab and search for Redist. Open up the first link. Now, from the second table here, you will need to download and install the redistributables, the 86 and the 64 installer, both of them. And once you finish the installation, it will ask you to restart your system. Now, right after the restart, before opening the game, you will need to check if your graphic card has the latest driver updates installed. So for NVIDIA, you can use NVIDIA app, and for AMD, there is the AMD software. From here, you can check and download and install the latest updates. And then you will need to open up Steam as admin, right click and run as admin. And then just launch the game from your library. This should fix the crash problem. Thanks for watching and subscribe.